Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you've had a great weekend. Today I'm sharing a couple of accessories from Mina Baie. Alright, so yesterday I shared the Mina Baie Audrey bag with you guys. I will link it below for those of you that may have missed it that still want to check it out. I have been absolutely loving this brand lately. Everything that I've gotten from them, I've really enjoyed, and I think the quality has been really, really good. So over the weekend, I received my Mina pouch set and I love it. I think it's really, really nice. And I thought I would just do a video and share it with you briefly and then pack it up so you can see exactly what will fit in these pouches. And then I want to compare it maybe with like some still shots at the end or just briefly talk about it. Compared to the Jujubee Bee set and the Lily Jade packing cases, since these are two kind of similar in shape pouches that I use frequently in my videos. So I think that may be helpful to kind of see how they compare to those. So this pouch set here from Mina Baie comes with 5 different things in the whole set. So you have two main pouches. You have the Mina Baie set down here, and then you have the Mina Mama set. So both of them are pretty much exactly the same as far as the structure of it. One is obviously bigger than the other one, but they both come with a removable wristlet strap, which is great because you can have it on there if you'd like to grab it out of your bag and carry it by itself, or you can actually just remove the strap altogether and use it as a leather pouch inside your bag. Let's go ahead and start with the smaller of the two pouches. This one here is the Mina Baie pouch, and it's kind of designed to keep your kids stuff in or little like baby odds and ends in the pouch. There's so much you can pack in these, like so much. But inside this small one here, you actually don't have any pockets or any zippers or anything like that. It's literally just an open leather pouch that has a really light colored wipeable lining on the inside. On the front of it here, you have it kind of etched down here that says Mina Baie on it, and then on the back of the pouch you have a small little D-ring that you can actually attach the wristlet strap to. I love the placement of this ring. I know it's something small, I know it might not mean a lot to some people, but typically when you have pouches like this, the strap is going to be attached here on the side of the bag, and so it makes it kind of awkward sometimes when you go to carry it, but this one here just lays so nicely whenever you're carrying it like as an actual wristlet. I love that it's secured by just an extra little piece of fabric here instead of being sewn into your actual pouch where it could potentially rip if you have a lot in it. So I love the placement of the D-ring on both of these pouches. So this one here, like I said, is the smaller of the two. The largest pouch here is pretty much the same, only you get a couple of extras on the inside of it. This one at the bottom, instead of saying Mina Baie, you actually have Mina Mama. So it's obviously designed to have stuff for you inside of it. This is a great grab and go clutch. The leather is really, really soft, and I just think it's nice and kind of classy looking. On the inside of this pouch, you actually have two different things that the other pouch did not have. On one side of the pouch here, you actually have a zipper pocket. I'm not sure if you can see here. I'll try to zoom in so that you can really see it. But you have the leather Mina Baie logo down there, and then you actually have a long zipper pocket on the inside. The pocket on the inside actually goes pretty far down. It goes the entire way to the bottom of the pouch. So you can really fit a lot inside the zipper pocket to keep it separate from the main part of this pouch. On the opposite side of this pouch, you actually have the perfect little pocket to hold the Mina Baie card case. I think that this is such a nice feature because most of the time when you have small clutches like this, you have the card slots sewn into the inside of the bag. I think, again, this is such a great design because you can actually pull out the card case and use it if you would like, or keep it separate, or whatever you want to do, but it makes it easier to pull your cards in and out instead of trying to get them from the inside of your pouch. So again, I think that this is such a cool design, and if you didn't want to have the card case in there, you just have another little way to organize the inside of the pouch. This is such a great little extra that you get with some of the Mina Baie bags. You have a couple of different spots for cards. You also have more room over here on the side, and then the back of it is just a flat leather surface. So a nice little added bonus here. All right, so that's everything that comes inside the pouch set. I wanted to show you really quickly before I put the camera down and show you what I can pack inside and how it compares to those other pouches. This is the Mina tassel, and it's so cute. I love it. I kind of grabbed it on a whim as like a little extra thing with my order. I did not get it engraved here on the side, and I really wish I would have. I don't know why I didn't, to be perfectly honest. I just kind of wanted it plain here, but the gold etching on here with my initials would have really made this tassel. I think it's so cute. This is in the tan color, and you just have Mina Baie right here at the top and the nice like Mina Baie gold clasp. I think it just adds something extra really, especially if you wanted to attach it, say, to the pouch set or to your zippers or your bags or whatever. I just think it's a fun little accessory.